If you want to see me unbox the Elizabeth Arden holiday set for 2021, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup, or Makeup. This is the second holiday blockbuster set unboxing that I do this year of holiday 2021. And today is Elizabeth Arden. I'm very excited about it. Elizabeth Arden last year showed a tremendous amount of value. And this year, I think we're gonna say it's gonna be the same. Let me explain. So I did pick this up. I picked this up just a few days ago. And the difference this year for the holiday set is that there is this outer kind of flower inspired packaging with another box inside. So there's no need to open up the packaging necessarily, but I'm going to do it anyway. So the two leaves open up this way, or petals, and the box just opens up like so. And then the inside box can be freed up. There we go. So that is the outside packaging. Is kind of not all that required, but has a few nice pictures on it. Now here's the deal. This box is the exact same as last year. No joke. I'll put the last year's unboxing video right there if you have any doubt as to what I'm saying. So that is the same box from last year. And then when I flip it around, it's the same contents. Again, not kidding. Not kidding at all. So let's open up the box. And there's tissue paper on top. I'll just dump some of this. It's good, it's protected. More paper. And now we're getting into the goodies. So I've freed up some of them. And I'll put the box down so I don't mess anything up. Let's go with skincare first. So the ceramide capsules and retinol capsules are a trademark of Elizabeth Arden sets. So in this case we have ceramide capsules. I think it's 30, yeah, 30 in this. And I think it's 10 each of the eye capsules. Let me just see here. No, 7 of the eye capsules, and how many of these? And 7 capsules of the retinol. So 7 in each of these two and 30 in this one. And this one would be the one that I would be looking to the most as a daily use product. If you want to see what I thought of ceramide, well actually all of these types of capsules from Elizabeth Arden, I'll put the brand new focus video that I did with my conclusions on these types of products. Next up in this box, we have a couple of brushes. These are the same brushes as last year. And here is the second brush. And again, very much like last year. So this is the cheek brush. Okay, so 3 different packages of skincare, 2 brushes. Now we're getting into the makeup. And there are 3 palettes and 2 lipsticks. So let's take a look at all of those. So the lipsticks look like relatively luxe packaging. Here is the red. And here is, I think this is kind of a mulberry color. Is that the name of it? Mulberry, yep. And here is what that one looks like. This is, you can tell this is a color that I really quite like. Okay, so those are the 2 lipsticks. And then when we take a look at the palettes, first off, I believe this is a highlighter palette. Yes, so there's a plastic cover protecting it, and here is the highlighting palette. And then we have the first eyeshadow palette, and I think this palette is called, does it have a name? No, there's no specific name on the palette. Oh, and I should tell you, the highlighting palette has a total of 4.3 grams for 3 products, not very much per pan. And then this one has a total of 6.5 grams of eyeshadow, and this one is called the Day palette. It's quite a neutral palette. And the other one is the Night palette, which is more glam type of products for the evening option. And this one is more cool, the other one is more warm. And the last item that comes with the kit is the Grand Entrance mascara. It is a plastic wand in this mascara. This is what it looks like. And it is not very kind to me, so this is not a mascara that I would use. It pokes my eye and it hurts. So it is not a friendly mascara to me, but I do know some folks who do like this mascara, and I will definitely pass it along. But there is a punchline to this whole unboxing, and let me show you the last item before I reveal the punchline. In the box, there is one more item. And it has a little bit of a hidden portion of this kit. And it houses this beautiful little case. And I will not take the case out of the packaging. It will all make sense in a second, because this is the box. It is the exact same kit as Holiday 2020. Yeah, same kit. So this is my box or my little case from last year. And no joke, it's the same products. So we have the Day palette. We have the highlighting palette. I might as well show you because I've used these. So same exact products. Again, same exact product. And I don't have the Glam palette that I have used from last year because it's actually at my boyfriend's place, but I can guarantee you it is the same as what I showed you in the other kit that I was unboxing for you. So, it could be good news. If you have FOMO about not having picked up this kit, you are in luck. You can pick it up this year. You're good. You're good. And because there's not a whole lot of product in these eyeshadows, if you have been using like crazy the kit last year, and you are mourning the fact that you are running out of your favorite shadows in these eyeshadows or eyeshadow palettes, you can buy a backup kit. It's available to you. Why not? That's great. And if you love the lipsticks in this set, same thing. Go for it. You can do that. It is also one of the most cost-effective kits out of all of the holiday sets. It was last year. If you want to see my final comparison among the kits, I'll put that video right there for you. Yeah, if you are big on the makeup component and the little case that comes with a set, if that's the driver for you buying these holiday sets, makeup and or case, I would say that the Elizabeth Arden is going to be a hit again this year. I think the value for money, it's a very reasonably priced kit. I think you're good. Let's take a look at the box again. I don't see it written anywhere on the box, but I can tell you I paid $88 Canadian, and there was no need for this kit to make any purchase. Unlike Estée Lauder and unlike Lancôme, To purchase the Elizabeth Arden, you don't have to pay for anything else. For $88, you were able to get the 3 palettes, the couple of lipsticks, the 2 brushes, and the skincare. So it is, as far as value, $88 is very fair to get that, plus the beautiful little red case. I'm going to do a comparison between this set and the other sets that I'm evaluating for holiday blockbuster sets, but I am not shy about saying that this is a good value. And as I said, I have posted the unboxing video so you can see the valuations last year. My opinion is the same. I think that the quality of the kit last year was very good. I gushed about it, and it's the same products, so I'm gushing again. That's pretty much it. If you are much more into skincare, obviously this would not be the kit for you. But if it's makeup that attracts you, I think that you would be in good hands. Now, one thing is, are the brushes fantastic? No, they're not. They're not. But if you're looking for the makeup, I think that this is a very good kit. All right. I am repeating myself at this point. Let me know what you thought of this unboxing of the Elizabeth Arden set for, I guess it's 2020 and 2021. I look forward to hearing what you think. And if you did pick up the set like I did last year, leave a comment. Let everybody know what you thought of it, right? We can all help each other out as far as making sure that different opinions are heard. And I would love to hear, of course, personally, what you thought of the kit last year, which is the same kit this year. And yeah, and if you are contemplating this kit and you have any questions that I did not answer in this video, please leave me a comment and I will do my best to keep you informed. If you are curious, keep your eyes open for more videos of some other blockbuster sets or holiday sets in general. I usually do review a few more of those during the holiday season. And you can look forward to swatches. You can look forward to some looks with each one of the kits that I am unboxing for you this year. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.